man, I don't know what to say. Hi, I'm Becca, and I'm not real.
And believe it or not, this too is AI. But at the end of the day, who really cares at this point? I want to ask you a question. Have you ever been to a 5-star resort? Let's say it's like a really nice one too. Like I'm talking beachfront, unlimited drinks, some cuties in the distance. Anyways, after longer exposure to that seeming perfection, everything just starts to feel stale. Now, when I'm in those scenarios, what I tend to do, and I think a lot of us are the same, is we kind of reach for something that's not so perfect. I think as humans, we need variety. And sometimes those little quirks and imperfections are exactly what we need to kind of itch that scratch. Perfection lacks substance if it's not rooted in anything. Now, I believe that AI, with all of its technological advancements and leaps and bounds that it's made, has left one key ingredient on the table. And I think that's something that we all possess innately. And that's our own unique humanity. So all this to say that if you're creative and you're feeling kind of a creative funk, which I find myself in every now and then, and I don't think I'm alone in that. You see all these perfect things around you and you're not really inspired to create. Go back to the idea. Go back to the reason why you want to create something. What are you trying to actually pursue, convey, or evoke in your viewer? And then follow that train of thought and see where it leads you. What I hope that this video achieves is that I can maybe share just a different perspective that maybe flips a switch in your brain, or maybe just orients you in a slightly different direction so you feel like you're not being left behind by these tools, but you're actually evolving and adapting with them.